I think you are my boss.
With that said, you are a boss. Korea?
Oh yeah.
You going now still? No? Bye. Someone told me that a lot of Korean here.
Yeah.
Is it a Korean town?
Lots of Korean walking here.
Oh. But this is Lapu Lapu.
Yeah.
Where is Mactan?
Mactan is a part of Lapu-Lapu, but Mactan is in the different place.
Oh.
Over there is Mactan.
Airport Mactan or Lapu Lapu? Airport.
Airport.
Mactan or Lapu Lapu?
The place is Lapu-Lapu, but different. What do you call? All here is Lapu-Lapu.
Oh, Mactan is smaller.
Yeah. Mactan is a place.
Oh. You are the boss?
No, we're just working here. We have a boss. I think you are my boss.
With that said, you are a boss. She's cooking really good food.
Yeah? You vlog all food.
She's cooking good. What is
This
it?
is Filipino food. Vegetables, mixed vegetables.
That looks already beautiful. And this is adobo?
No?
How you call it?
That's a pork mix with vegetables.
Oh, pork meat.
Yeah.
And this?
Ground pork mixed with vegetables also.
Ground pork.
Yeah.
And these are like a sprout.
Dayon sa inisa yung tawgi rin?
Taugri?
Tawgi. Roots from Mongo.
From mango?
Mongo.
Mongo. Oh.
Yeah, Mongo. That one.
Oh.
That is Mongo.
Oh, I see. This is chicken adobo.
Yeah. No, it's a chicken. Chicken na lang. It's like this one is adobo chicken.
Oh, that's the
That
adobo.
one is small chicken.
I have a question. This is your first time to speak to a black man?
Yeah.
First time?
Yes. I love your color.
Where can I go rebond my hair?
Yeah. I can remember it.
That's really beautiful.
Music.
They wanted me to dance,
Turn on my
but
music and you will turn on Baccarat's music. Eh?
I-
Turn your music and I turn off my music.
I can open the Tagalog music. Hello, welcome to Seoul, South Korea. I'm just joking. We are in the Philippines, in Lapu Lapu. And the barangay is called Maribago. When you talk about Maribago here, what comes in their mind mostly is Korean. A lot of Koreans lives in this barangay here. You will see them everywhere. One is opening there, the door, the gate. So there are a lot of them here, right here. They do a lot of businesses. Especially I've seen 3 businesses: hotels, bars, and restaurants. So they have a lot of restaurants and they have a lot of bars and a hotel too. Like hotel where I stay, it's owned by South Korean. The guy is wearing a t-shirt that say Pride Maribago. What's pride means? Yeah, fried chicken? Well, he's telling me that the pride is fried chicken.
Where are you from?
I'm from America. Where are you from? America. Yeah.
Where from America?
The guy with motorcycle, where is he from?
That guy from you?
UK?
Like that.
UK?
UK maybe.
Oh, maybe. He lives here?
Yeah, have some beautiful girls, Filipino girls. Too much jiggy.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Jiggy jiggy. You don't know jiggy jiggy?
No. So I'm about to go to catch up my flight to Manila and I will go to Virac, Cantaduanes. I heard a lot of Korean here.
Yeah, plenty.
What they do?
Vacation, business, or studying English.
Oh, they learn English here? They study English, Korean?
English, yeah, Korean.
Oh. So you live with Korean good? They're good people?
Sometimes bad.
What?
Mostly bad.
Mostly bad? What they do bad?
Ano? Patay ng video mo.
Well, he wanted to say something, but he's trying to stay out of the camera.
Go.
No, say the truth. What is bad with them?
Sometimes bad, sometimes good.
What is good?
Because
What is good Korean do? What is good?
if you get drunk, sometimes you do that.
Oh, so this guy what he's telling me is the same that they told me yesterday. A guy yesterday was telling me
What,
that
like, Arnie?
Korean are good,
Huh?
but they are not good when they got drunk.
Yeah. That video, maybe you cut off,
No, I'm not going to cut.
You cut.
You are afraid?
Yeah, I am afraid.
Why? You are Filipino, you are home. You saying the truth. Another guy told me the same thing. He said yesterday.
Yes.
He said Korean when they get drunk, they are not good.
Yeah, not good.
They
Only
fight.
like that, But if not drunk, they're good people.
He's asking if I'm a Korean. Me?
Black Royal.
No, I'm not Korean. This is your first time to talk to a black man?
First time.
First time?
That's why I'm shy,
You are shy?
Yeah.
I'm shy too. I'm shy. So it's a Maribago Pride Mom. What is that? Chicken? Like a chicken to eat? See?
Ito, that's right. Vegetables.
Oh, vegetables.
Hi, I think your vlog.
Yes, I'm gonna share this. This area, they try to translate everything in Korean because most of the customers here for the hotel, for the housings, are Korean. Good morning. Where you from?
Japan.
Oh, Japan. They say Japan expensive. Like
No, we know.
we,
Now Japan is very cheap.
which part of Japan are you from? Which part of Japan you are from? Tokyo, Okinawa?
Oh, I see Nagano. Do you know Nagano? Central Japan.
Maybe I will visit Japan one day.
Tokyo. Tokyo. Bullet train goes about 1.5 hour, 1 hour half bullet train to west.
Oh,
Obviously.
1 hour.
1 hour, maybe one and half hour. Half an hour.
I'm from America,
Where?
Texas.
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 Oh. Trump.
Yeah, travel. You speak good English. Japanese don't speak English.
No. I cannot speak Japanese, English. Well.
I heard Japan, people very, very busy, #1 in the world. Busy.
This
Work.
is Canon. Made in Japan.
Japan. Yeah. This is Japan.
Camera.
Yeah. I'm taking you and your wife and your delicious breakfast there. That American breakfast. No Japanese breakfast.
How long will you stay?
One.
Well, this one. First time. One. And then all
Today go Manila
my
and I leave Manila go Virac. It's another village.
Manila and Rani. Wait, one.
Virac.
Vira.
Virac Cantanduanes. So it is in west Then I go where there is volcano. It's called the Legazpi.
Legazpi. Oh, no.
Yeah.
All days. How long?
In Philippines, 22. Then I go back.
22 days.
Yes, I finished. Remain 7 days. 7 days I go back. You have children?
My wife. Our children.
How many?
How many? Our children 3.
3.
And grandson and daughter 5. I see. Yeah.
Japan, young people don't want to get children,
So, yeah.
which is bad.
Yeah, bad. I see.
We need children to rejuvenate population. What's your name? Costa.
My name.
My name is
My
Costa.
name. Family name. Yeah, Godo. Godo.
Oh, Gogo.
Godo.
Oh,
Godo.
Oh.
Godo. Family name.
Me family name Clever. This.
Clever. Clever. You are clever. Good.
Yes, kindness. You speak good English. You learn in school?
Thank you.
How you know English?
How
Yeah, why you speak English?
why I study now I'm home teacher.
Oh, home teacher.
Home teacher.
Ah.
And then I teach children elementary school and junior high school and senior high school students teach
Wow.
English. But I can't speak English well.
You
now.
you speak
No,
good.
no. I am teaching story, long story, teaching, reading.
Oh,
I see.
in English.
In English.
Wow.
Yeah.
People in Japan like English.
People.
They like English?
Yeah. Many. All junior high school students and senior high school learn English, but Japanese children is very shy. They can speak English, but hard, shy.
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 How
Well-
many people did you come? Only one?
Me.
Only one. You come with me?
Yes. So the folks you see here, they're from Japan. This is the husband and this is the wife. So, well, I will visit them one day in Japan because I like visiting villages, not cities. So they're giving me the address, and then maybe next time I will go in Japan to visit them. I like traveling. They're really good people. 5 grandchildren, 3 children. Oh, 3?
No. 3 children
3 children.
and 5 grandson and granddaughter.
Yes, so in total, 5 grandchildren are 5 and 3 children. Really good. You know, in Japan, I was watching a documentary. They're saying how the young population, they don't want to get married. And that is causing them to have less children. But they're blessed. They're really blessed. Thank you very much po. What is the name of that dog?
There's no name. There's no name.
So his name is no name.
Yes.
Okay.
No name.
No name.
Yes. Dog.
Eh?
Black and white.
Black and white.
It's the pattern, the skin.
China?
China.
Korea? So, can I take picture? Korea. From Seoul. Seoul? Seoul? Oh, wow. Hello, my friend.
Korea.
It's here. And that's there, Tam Tam. And Messi Bike, one family.
Yeah, one family.
That's your mom?
No, just my boss.
Your boss?
Yeah, one boss in here.
I want to go to rebond my hair.
Yeah,
Make my hair.
Yeah, became the
Telling
long hair. Was long hair?
Wow.
You buy
Barbecue.
you buy the barbecue in the.
I ate the fish there.
Oh yeah, this is a piece very nice. Like this one. Oh, bangus.
No. Bangus. I will buy another chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Do you have the crispy chicken?
Crispy chicken. Crispy. No crispy and then barbecue.
Oh.
Barbecue.
I just eat the fish, tuna.
Ay, okay. Maon taga.
Sige, ma'am. Salamat.
Iwan naman. Iwan. Iwan. What, sir?
Where can I rebond my hair?